Good morning, everyone. Today we are still continuing with Chapter 2. We are going to be doing kind of a review. So everything that we've learned in Chapter 2, you're going to cover today. So we're going to start with just our quick check, as we always do. So what I want you to do right now is pause this video and write down all of these questions off of my screen. So pause the video and write down all of the questions. Ready, set, go. All right, now that you've written them down, pause the video again and solve them all. So these are all evaluating. So just a reminder if you need it. Each of these values for x, y, and z are given up here at the top of the screen. So you're going to use those and replace each of the letters. So this first problem here says the absolute value of y plus 3. So I'm going to change it to absolute value of y plus 3 like this, and then I'm going to replace y with -2, so I put -2 in there. So remember, absolute value makes everything positive because we're talking about distance from 0, so -2 becomes +2 plus 3, and when we add those up we should get 5. So again, pause the video and do the rest of these problems. Ready, set, go. Okay, now that you've done them, let's check your answers. So x, y, z means x times y times z. X is 3, y is -2, and z is 5. So we multiply all those together. I would do the first ones first. So 3 times -2 is -6 times 5 is going to give me -30. So we should have got -30 for this first one. Y minus x plus z. Replace all of the letters with the numbers. So -2 minus x, which is 3, plus z, which is 5. So same thing, kind of go left to right. -2 minus 3 is -5 plus 5. This is kind of like a bunch of 0 pairs equals 0. So we just get 0 for number 3. Number 4 is just x plus z. So x plus z. X is 3. Z is 5. And then we're just going to add those up to get +8. So there's all your quick check answers. All right. That is kind of the main thing we're going to do in this video. Next, you're going to be doing some review activities. So today we're still talking about what happens when we add, subtract, multiply, and divide integers. Today's goal is to practice all of them. So you're going to see problems that have adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing, and also kind of just that intro to integers. So we'll see absolute value and kind of just practice with integers as well. So again, all 4 operations with integers. That's what we're learning today. All right, what you're going to do now is these trade-up cards, and the sub will help you get started with this. One thing I'm going to change, we're not going to do them on our whiteboard. We're just going to do it in your notebook. So you have green little half sheets. Those are each of your cards. You're going to start at card number 1 and just work through them in order. Please don't write on the cards. So the cards are going to be used for each class. You'll just bring a card to your desk and do all the problems in your notebook. So there's 4 questions on each card. So work out all the questions. Then you're going to go back up to where the cards are and check all your answers on the answer sheet. If you have some that are wrong, you're going to sit back down, correct those mistakes, then head back up and recheck them. If you got them all right, you just move on to the next card. So put the card number 1 back in the little pile of number 1s and grab card number 2 and work through them just like that. So keep going through the cards in order. If you have any questions, make sure you're asking the sub for help. All right, that's it from me for today. So have a great day. I miss you. Wish I was here with you. Please be nice to your sub. Bye, everybody.